Input tax credit set off and adjustment. Since this was also part of the agenda, I have kept in this presentation. However, it's not that tough. It's straightforward. So it says section 49 subsection A of CGST Act states that notwithstanding anything contained in section 49, the input tax credit on account of central tax, state tax or union territory tax shall be utilized towards payment of integrated tax, central tax, state tax or union territory tax. Settlement, utilization, right? As the case may be, only, very important, recently the amendment came, only after the input tax credit available on account of IGST has been first utilized towards such payment. What does this mean? Sir, please, in simple words, explain us. It clearly says, if you have some balance lying in your IGST credit ledger, I repeat, if you have some balance lying in IGST credit ledger, that has to be first settled off against all the output liabilities, whether it is IGST, CGST or SGST. First, you have to make IGST credit ledger as 0, then you can accordingly utilize other balances, right? This was recently the amendment which came in settlement, utilization. Section 49 subsection B says, the government, notwithstanding anything contained, prescribe the order and manner of utilization of input tax credit. So what is the order and manner they have prescribed? Let's read that. Rule 88 sub rule A, notification number 16 came 29th March 2019. A lot of chaos was there with respect to this because of the liquidity issues for the businessman, for the taxpayer. The order of utilization of ITC was specified in rule 88A. What it says? It says input tax credit on account of integrated tax. Input tax credit on account of input integrated tax shall be first be utilized towards payment of IGST. So IGST credit shall be first utilized with IGST credit, right? And the amount remaining, if anything remains in your IGST credit ledger, may be utilized towards the payment of CGST or SGST or union territory tax, as the case may be, in any order. In any order. Let me take an example. I have 1000 rupees in my IGST ledger, right? I have already settled off all my IGST output tax liability. Now only CGST and SGST output tax liability is left, against which I will utilize any, in any order, in any CGST or SGST, right? Suresh Kumarji, video is very much available. Please refresh your screen, sir. Provided that the input tax credit on account of central tax, state tax or union territory tax shall first be utilized towards payment of IGST, central tax, state tax, as the case may be, only after input tax credit available on account of IGST has first been utilized fully. I've already explained to you. So IGST credit has to be utilized first, then you can utilize other credit ledger. So I've taken an illustration, very nice illustration. Circular itself says 23rd April को एक circular आया. It has given a very nice illustration. Please look carefully. The output liability in IGST is 1000 rupees. ITC ledger balance is 1300 rupees. Similarly, CGST and SGST. Option 1. What is the option 1? So IGST, my output liability is 1000 rupees. What I have done? 1000 rupees I have settled off from my IGST balance, right? So 300 balance still lies in the IGST ledger. What does the law says? First, you have to utilize the IGST ledger first. So again, that 300 balance, 200 I have utilized towards CGST, 100 I have utilized towards SGST. So the balance remains is in front of you. So this is option 1. Now option 2. So both the options are correct. Please note down, both the options are correct. Now again, my output liability for IGST was 1000. So first priority is given to IGST, right? So IGST, I have settled off 1000, 0 output liability for IGST. Now 100 I have taken for CGST, 200 for SGST. So both the options are correct because the law says you can utilize in any order from CGST or SGST, but the only condition is first IGST should be utilized first and first IGST output should be paid in full. Then only you can utilize. This is the law which says for utilization or settlement. Optotax, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotax in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotax in your offices. It will help you a lot. what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional in making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with two-way. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Just skipping this all the basic slides, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotex. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.